Top 5 secrets in the world that will leave you speechless. The world is full of secrets, some hidden in plain sight, and others locked away forever. What if I told you there are places you can never visit, mysteries science can't explain, and treasures no one can touch? Today on Facts Biz, we're revealing the top 5 secrets in the world that will leave you speechless. Stick around to uncover the truth. Fact 1. The Secret Vault of the Vatican, 021 to 120. Footage of Vatican City, dramatic shots of the Vatican archives, and ancient manuscripts. Deep beneath Vatican City lies one of the most mysterious places on Earth, the Vatican Secret Archives. This vault contains over 50 miles of shelves packed with ancient documents, some dating back over 1,000 years. What's inside? Allegedly, everything from correspondence with Michelangelo to evidence of extraterrestrial life. But here's the catch: only a select few scholars can access it, and even they need special permission. What secrets could be hiding behind those locked doors? Fact 2. Area 51's Hidden Truths, 121 to 220. Clips of Area 51 gates, aerial views of Nevada deserts, and you've heard of Area 51, but what's really happening there? This top-secret U.S. military base has been the center of UFO conspiracy theories for decades. While the government says it's a testing site for advanced aircraft, many believe it holds alien technology or even extraterrestrial life forms. In 2019, a viral storm Area 51 movement tried to uncover the truth, but the mysteries remain locked behind tight security. Are we alone in the universe? Area 51 might have the answer. Fact 3. The Coca-Cola Recipe Vault, 221 to 320. Shots of Coca-Cola bottles, vault doors, and people drinking soda. Did you know the recipe for Coca-Cola is one of the most guarded secrets in the world? The formula has been locked inside a high-security vault in Atlanta, Georgia, for over 130 years. Only a handful of people know the full recipe, and they're forbidden from traveling together in case something happens to one of them. The secrecy is so intense that Coca-Cola's competitors have spent millions trying to crack it unsuccessfully. Imagine keeping a secret that long. Fact 4. The Pyramid's Hidden Chambers, 321 for 20. Drone footage of the Great Pyramids, 3D renderings of hidden tunnels, and archaeologists working. The Great Pyramids of Egypt have stood for over 4,500 years, but they're still revealing their secrets. In 2017, scientists discovered a hidden chamber inside the Great Pyramid of Giza using advanced scanning technology. This chamber is over 100 feet long, but no one knows what's inside. It's completely sealed off. Is it a tomb, treasure room, or something even more mysterious? The secrets of the pyramids are far from solved. Fact 5. The Secret of Oak Island, for 21, 520. Footage of Oak Island's swamp, treasure hunters digging, and old treasure maps. Oak Island, a small island in Nova Scotia, Canada, is home to one of the most famous treasure hunts in history. For over 200 years, adventurers have been digging for a legendary buried treasure rumored to include everything from pirate gold to the Holy Grail. But here's the twist: every time someone gets close, mysterious booby traps flood the tunnels, keeping the treasure hidden. To this day, no one has uncovered the full secret of Oak Island. Could it be the greatest treasure hunt ever? Closing call to action, 5:21 to 6 o'clock. Montage of all the secrets with dramatic text like, "What do you think?" And that's it. 5 of the most fascinating secrets in the world. From ancient mysteries to modern conspiracies, these stories remind us how much of the world is still unexplored and unknown. Which one do you think is the most intriguing? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to FactsBuzz for more incredible videos like this. See you next time.